This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about disposable coffee cup lids, specifically these 2.5-inch coffee cup lids. And it's important to note the size on these little ones. They're meant to fit 4-ounce coffee cups. And you can check the listings for these to see the compatible cups that Restaurantware makes. So if you're looking for a regular size lid, these aren't it, right? So these are more for the really tiny coffee cups that you would use for espresso or anything else like that. And they're petite and adorable. So if you're doing hot service for espresso or you're looking out to give out samples of anything, these are a nice little size lid to fit these petite cups. And they come in 3 colors. We have the black, gray, and white. They're all made of recyclable plastic, which is always a bonus. And they have a great snug fit to them to help prevent leaks and spills, which is always a plus as well. And they have a nice elevated drinking spout and a little vent in the back for some nice smooth sipping, making these perfect for espresso to go, coffee, cocoa, tea, or any other hot beverage.